to play Carolina. Atkinson's clearing pass. Sails out to center. Artemi Panarin. Turned around, but fights off Hamilton. Atkinson across the line. Atkinson drops. Quick shot, scores! Zach Werenski takes the Atkinson pass, and quickly the Jackets have regained the 2-goal lead.
Well, Artemi Panarin, it just did a spinorama in the middle of the ice. He goes from a standstill to almost top speed. Here he's just shaking and baking on the bottom corner of your screen. There's a spinorama. That buys him time, and that option opens up at Atkinson. And Atkinson gets Werenski as his number one option and just sets it for him. Here's Panarin. He's got such great balance to compete. And right there, the vision to find Cam. Werenski, you can hear that off the post and in. Great job by Zach Werenski. Love when he's up in the play and he gets that wrister off. And there, Darling. I think he heard it hit the post and the twine before he saw it.
It's uncanny how the Jackets are going right now. Every night it's a different line. And tonight it's the Dubois, Atkinson, Panarin line.
Panarin's just in video game mode out there right now.
You can see a little extra jump in Atkinson's step as well.
Well, yeah, he's part of a line that's hot tonight. And we're not even to the halfway point of the game.